I'm Gary.
And I'm Jillian.
And we're going to give you a tour of our camper.
So let's get started.
Hi, I'm going to show you the bathroom. Our bathroom is super huge. We have a medicine cabinet, a sink, an under the sink cabinet, this cool toilet, and a shower.
To our kitchen. This is the biggest kitchen you can probably find in this size camper. So we've got a huge sink, actual counter space, which is pretty unusual in a camper this size. A little window that's closed at the moment. Nice 3-burner stove that lights up in the front. Oven, again, very unusual for this size camper. Microwave. Lots of different storage drawers, storage cabinets.
With the pipes inside. Well, you
say
can't see.
so. Storage underneath for pots and pans or whatever you want to put in there. And the greatest part of this camper of all is a 10 cubic foot refrigerator that is humongous. So
We have some water in here because we're not actually camping, but we have, but we're hooked up to the electric, which we will show you when we go outside.
and a little pantry closet area, whatever you want to use it for. So pretty big space. And that's our kitchen.
Hey guys, my bed. So I have a Paris bed sheet, 2 pillows, and a window. That is very unusual in a camper. But you can open it up. You can even open up the window itself. Just, it's too cold to do that. And then I have my blankets under my bed. And then over here on the wall, there's a light, which you can turn on and off by pressing it, and USB ports. That's my bed. So in my bed, I have some plaid sheets and a pillow. It's plaid with a blanket. And so it's the same as Jillian's, how the light turns on and off with this little button in the middle. We have some USB ports I was actually using to charge my GoPro right now. And now we have the window, same as Jillian's. And how to step up onto the bed, which is a little wobbly, but you step on like this and get off. And then when you do it, when you get up, you just do the exact same, but with just going upwards. Okay, so this is my parents' bed. So how their bed works is it's called a Murphy bed. So there's a couch, and then you flip out the couch so it's flat. You unlatch the latches, which that side is, I don't know why, but it was a little bit difficult. Then you lay out the bed so that the foot of the bed's now on the ground, and then that's their comfortable bed. It's really helpful for a RV that is this size, so it doesn't take up so much room with just a gigantic bed. So yeah, that's their bed. In this clip, my parents show you the different cupboards next to their beds and how much room they had with the little hanger hooks and how much room they are, and showing how that they were easily able to fit their pillows inside without any problem. And now with the decorations, there is this happy camper one. It's like a little rag, and I love camping in a little coffee mug. And we have the camping rules, and you probably can read that. And then we have little salt and pepper shakers that are little teardrops sort of.
We also have this really cool map sticker thing that you can stick these really cool license plates as the shape of
the different states. So like Idaho, Oklahoma.
And if when we go to these states, we just have to peel off the sticker and pop them on the country or
The
state, whatever that thing is.
To show you the dining room / couch area that we have. So right now the way we've got it set up, it's a dining room, a U-shaped dinette that sits at least 4, maybe 6 people fairly comfortably.
when you can also take the table and put it down below here, take the cushions out and make it into another bed. So this place could actually fit quite a lot of people. If you have 2 in that bed, 2 in each bunk, and 1 or 2 here.
And if you just take the table and put it down all together, you can make this into a nice little U-shaped couch. So if you want to watch TV or hang out or whatever. So we've got a TV in here temporarily, baby. So
And we down here where the rods disconnect right here, and you just take those off and you put them in this little compartment cabinet right here.
We also have compartments on each side.
In there, I can fit in there, and I'm like 4'9", so that's a lot of storage, and I can fit very comfortably.
The dinette is a really good place because it can turn into 3 different things that are really useful to have.
And also, a couple days ago, we were playing a game in here, and it fit really well, and it was a pretty big game.
that's our dining room. Outside at night to show you the RV, just so you can kind of take advantage of the lights that go along with the awning. So if you notice, the white lights are actually the nice awning lights, and then the blue lights are actually speakers that play on the outside. So we've got blue lights for the speakers, white lights for the awning, and tomorrow during the day we'll show you the rest of the outside of the camper. Good night. Oh,
And how we put on the awning.
put out the awning,
Put out the awning.
and we'll show you the outdoor kitchen.
Okay.
So this is going to be our first night sleeping in the camper. We've had the camper for about a month, but the weather hasn't really cooperated, so we've been able to sleep in it until now.
We're just sleeping in the yard to try out all the different features of the RV to see where we should put stuff, what works, and things like that. So, and I think we're just gonna watch a movie this evening and get ready for bed.
Hey guys, so I hope you enjoyed this video. Please comment, like, and subscribe down below. And make sure you comment down below places you think that are really fun and enjoyable places to go. And make sure you comment down below video ideas we should do. So, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and make sure you go subscribe and hit the notification bell so you get notified every time I post a video. See you guys next time. Bye!